I was sitting in one of the pews. At some point, they said, "Does anybody want to share?" Without thinking, my hand shot up. And of course, the moment afterwards, I was like, what am I doing? But I had just memorized Amazing Grace in Cherokee. So I walked up to the podium, and I remember I kept my eyes on the floor. I held the podium, and I just closed my eyes, and I just started singing. And everybody stood up while I was singing, and I opened my eyes, and we were just all singing together in Cherokee, Amazing Grace. And then in that moment, I was just like, this is what I have to do. I connected with so many people just through singing, and that's what I want to do every day, is connect with people and tell stories.